Welcome, today I'm with Jabra Elite 85H and I'll show you how you can enable or disable sleep mode. So we have to open the Jabra Sound Plus application. Of course, you have to be connected with your headphones. Next, you have to tap on the right upper corner on the settings icon and then smoothly move for the headset settings. When you are here, you have to select headset configuration. And in this place, we can find the sleep mode. It's connected with the battery saver. So if you want to turn off the sleep mode, you have to click right here to never enter sleep mode. But if you want to get this feature enabled, you want to save your battery of the headset, you can pick between 15 minutes and 8 hours. So you can pick your favorite setup. Honestly, I'm gonna set this option on the 1 hour. After that, you can just go back, and that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.